Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a grooming essential for your furry friends, the Andis 560814 Easy Clip Adjustable Blade Dog Clipper Kit. We found this product online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Andis Easy Clip is a comprehensive grooming kit designed to make your dog grooming experience smooth and efficient. This 11-piece kit includes everything you need: the clipper itself, 6 attachment combs ranging from 1/8 to 1, a soft storage case, a blade guard, blade oil, and even a blade cleaning brush. With all these items included, you'll be well equipped to handle any grooming task that comes your way. One of the standout features of this clipper is its adjustable blade. The titanium-coated stainless steel blades are not only designed to stay sharp longer, but they also resist corrosion, which means you can rely on them for consistent performance. This is especially important when you're grooming dogs with varying coat types and lengths. The Andis Easy Clip is powered by a robust rotary motor that operates at an impressive 4,500 strokes per minute. This powerful motor makes it easy to tackle even the thickest and toughest fur without any fuss. If you've ever struggled with a clipper that just couldn't handle the job, this feature is a game changer. Another notable aspect is its lightweight design. Grooming can be a time-consuming process, and this clipper is designed for comfort during extended sessions. The ergonomic build ensures it won't weigh you down, making it easier to maneuver around your pet and achieve that desired look. So, who is this clipper suitable for? If you're a pet owner who takes grooming into your own hands, or perhaps a professional groomer looking for a reliable tool, the Andis Easy Clip is perfect for you. It's versatile enough for both home use and professional settings, easily handling various breeds and coat types. Practical use cases for this clipper are abundant. From giving your dog a summer trim to maintaining a tidy appearance all year round, this clipper can do it all. It's also great for touch-ups between grooming appointments, helping you save time and money. In summary, the Andis 560814 Easy Clip Adjustable Blade Dog Clipper Kit is a reliable and efficient grooming tool that combines powerful performance with user-friendly features. With its complete kit, adjustable blades, and lightweight design, it's an excellent choice for both novice and experienced groomers alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.